All right, guys, this is the long-awaited Kitty City game room tour. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. In lieu of any kind of an educational video regarding finances, let's talk about these little baby nuggets that we rescued. We got these guys in September. There were a total of 5 of them that were orphaned when their mother was unfortunately killed by a predator, huh, baby? This is Care Bear. This is the OG. This is Gabby. I've had her for 2 years. Hi, baby. She's watching Kitty TV. Apologize in advance for the background noise. We're watching an episode of Kill Tony here tonight. Figured we'll do a night tour just because I like the lighting in here. So Kitty City is truly dedicated to these cats. We want to keep them out here in the garage. We've got only Gabby allowed inside. She's the only VIP. And the rest, which we've kept 3 of the 5 from the litter. This is Bowtucks. And the 3 we've kept have all been kept through survival. We have unfortunately had some really difficult medical challenges. Care Bear was the runt. And we had to resuscitate her on night 1. Huh, baby. Hi there, baby. And she's much smaller than the other 2. We've got Chloe, who has been diagnosed with a heart murmur. She seems to be surviving well. And we've got Bowtucks, who was bitten by a dog a few weeks ago and has made a miraculous recovery, but also required resuscitation, and we did have to perform chest compressions, and I mean it was a long night of oxygen administration, and it was rough. So we've got a total of 4 cats now. The other 2 were given to a wonderful home, wonderful family. It's still a game room, so it's Kitty City Game Room first, Kitty City second, and everything that we're dedicating now to the room seems to be on their behalf. So they've got the sombrero playpen. They love the foosball table for front row seating to Kitty TV. Of course, we've got multiple air purifiers.
It was wild.
Know a lot of people that are allergic to cats that come over and visit regularly. So we have tried to do them as many favors as possible. Still obviously have the kind of enclosed liquor cabinet. This is all brand new. Most of this is new. You know, the game room was here, and I'll do a quick 360 loop around so you can kind of see where we're heading. In the corner here, we've got their sort of sleeping tree. They love this. And no matter how many toys we buy, the boxes are always their favorite. So we'll generally just kind of cut some holes in them, give them a playpen with it. Wonderful gift from a friend of an exact replica of Zoe, who we lost in February. So they love snuggling up to this stuffed animal. Underneath the ping pong table, which is obviously playpen number 1, is playpen 2. And up here we've got another playpen teepee that keeps getting destroyed, so I'm going to try and build that again. But they're on the table nonstop, of course, because they're not supposed to be. Back behind the door, we've got another scratching post along with 2 more here on the cabinets, which are wonderful. These little cactus scratching posts have been great. Underneath this counter here, we've got their sort of feeding and poopy station. Been really, really happy so far with this pet snowy electric kitty litter box. I've got another one, the litter robot, and nowhere near as good. Neither are sponsoring. This is an electronic watering station and a food station. All of this still needs to be changed out every couple days just because there's so many cats. Originally, Gabby's food station was up here, but they have since figured out how to jump. All the kittens can jump from the couch to her food station as of last week. Over here, we've got another scratching post. Obviously, the vacuum is out doing its duty. They like watching it. It does struggle from time to time, but every time it runs, somehow finds its way home. Oh, oh, oh no. I thought it was going to get the tail. We've got a scratching post over here, which doubles as a ladder that leads them up to their window beds. We're going to get a couple curtains here just to try and keep them warm. This is non-heated garage, so I've insulated both doors, including the pedestrian, and just trying to avoid using this beautiful stove, which will heat it up in about 20 minutes, but we're just afraid that these little rambunctious kittens are going to jump up on here, which they do when it's cold, and we just do not need any more injuries. So we're trying to heat it without that. So we're using the electric heating above the TV and the cabinets, and that's been working out pretty well. Right now, the temperature inside is 71 degrees, and the temperature outside is probably 20. So they're going to have the window beds. They love these. We've just got a window hanging unit here. I'm sorry, not a window hanging unit, but kind of a planter hanging unit. And I'm going to install these steps here up the wall, and the hanging bed will be right there in the corner. Unfortunately, we're not quite as far along on this as we would like to be. We're going to actually install some ceiling tunnel ways and sort of an up above maze where hopefully we'll use some aluminum and plexiglass so you can kind of see them walking along the ceiling line, which will be amazing. Going to install a basketball hoop over there in the corner. Just have a lot more plans coming, guys. So hopefully some of y'all noticed the wallpaper that we used over here in the feeding area. Figured the fish would sort of inspire a great meal. And I went ahead and put a little decal there on the corner that looks just like Chloe. Let's take a look at her again. Actually looks a lot like Gabby too. Chloe, Chloe. She ran under the table. Hi, baby. Hi. Chloe. There she is. Look, it looks just like her. What you doing, baby? What you doing? So they're all very loving. We just honestly can't get enough of them. We spend most of our time out here. This is our little rodeo bathroom. Found these amazing racks on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. Once they open this door, they're normally running over here. They all want in. But you can get a quick glimpse. Jessica just got this amazing plant. She works at a greenhouse, so she got that today. But you can kind of get a quick glimpse of this bathroom. It's just a riot. These are some of my grandmother's memorabilia, which the house is dedicated to their namesake. It's Kamp Wood, and yeah, Muriel Wood. So those are her riding boots, and those are her riding pants over there on the wall on the other side. So this is Kitty City Game Room, guys. We've got the darts, we've got the dart scoreboard, the dedicated iPad. Of course, got the cats. I'm losing against the computer there, in case anybody knows how to play cricket. That is not a good game for me. We've got the light up dartboard. This is a very cool little device here. You can brighten it, you can dim it. So with the heating blanket and the heat, this seems to be good enough, even though there is some radiant heat plumbed in under the concrete already. It is not hooked up with the boiler, and trying to avoid spending 7,500 bucks here, but ultimately I think we're keeping it warm enough for them to stay alive, stay healthy. If kittens are exposed to cold that's too low, it can affect their health. So with that being said, say bye-bye, Chloe. Say bye-bye. You getting the vacuum? You're so good. You're so good. Let's check in on the others here. This is one of their favorites here, this little toy. We try and do everything rechargeable. Oh, that one. No, one more. Maybe one more. Maybe one more. Nope. There it is. There you go. Even Gabby loves this toy. Look at them all running over. They're so good. Alrighty, guys. So obviously we are busy trying to rescue a bunch of animals here at the farm. This was an unexpected pickup, and with all their medical issues, you know, we've grown so fond and attached to them. We just love them so much, and we're just so blessed to be able to share our garage space with these kittens. So hopefully you guys are able to do something that you feel so blessed about this holiday season. Just make sure you're treating yourselves right, and enjoy your family and your loved ones and your pets. We really appreciate you. We're thankful for everybody here on the channel. And until we see you on the next video, make it a great day. Keep on cash flowing, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Making sure that he got it across the sticks, and in doing so, he was thinking about the ball, not thinking about his feet.
And you know what's interesting? He was already clear of the sticks.
Yes.
On the catch. He did not even need that reach, but he was trying to get everything he could out of it in right field. Mike Tomlin's got to go ahead and kick this thing away and try and get it out. Down just one.
They take Hamilton to the
Oh, you psychos.